If you're going to be working on your fixation assembly on the Topcon, you're going to have to get some wire slack. If you're going to be opening it up to service the assembly with all the stops and soldering the wires on your socket and all this work and all of this, you're going to have to get some wire slack so you can pull it through the tube, so you can pull it out and address your issues. But there's no slack here. The cable goes from here through this tube here, and then it goes down the chin rest tube. So what you're going to have to do is go to the base of the chin rest and you're going to have to take off the ground screw and then the cable harness for your main cable, which holds both the fixation and the main cable. You're going to have to take that off so that you can start pulling the wire through here and to get some slack. So you will have to take these screw off and you might want to take a picture of how it looks, because this is the best way for it to fit, where the main, it's going through this connector, this harness, but it's pulled around and your ground wire goes on. So you might want to look at your original configuration, take a picture of it, or draw a little diagram so when you put it back together you put it back the same way. So, got to take these apart. Now your cable is free, and now you can begin to pull it from up top as you're feeding it through, and it'll go so far through the tube, but then this little terminal connector will stop you. And if you want to get a little bit more room, which I found I need all the room I can get, you might want to bend your connector, bend it so that you can push this up in the tube a little further to get a little more room. So you would basically just squeeze this connector so that you could squeeze it like this, and then it would go through the tube a little further, and that would give you a little more space as you're pulling this cable through from the bottom, pulling it out so that you can eventually pull it through here, and so you'll have some slack. So just wanted to show you that. And when you're putting it back together, this is just a little cover right here that's going over this very thin wire. This thin wire is what's going through this tube. This thicker wire is not able to go through there. There's not enough space. So what they do at about this spot right here inside, they have soldered on some very thin wire, and and they put some covers over them. And so this thin wire goes from about this length all the way through here, and it goes through here, and it goes through this little covering, this protective covering from here. So eventually this is going to go about halfway between here and here. That's to protect your wire out here that's exposed. If you can pull, so if you can get some slack, which will give you that much, you can pull your cable through the tube, and you'll be able to pull the cable after you've unloosened everything, as on the other video, and you'll have enough space to work on it. So when you're putting it back together, you'll just pull your cable back through, and then pull the other end so that you're pulling your slack back through, and once you pull it back through, then you can open up your little terminal connector, flatten it back out so that you'll be able to put everything back together in its original spot. So I just wanted to show you that as a companion video for the other one, the other video that just deals with this section. It's like a two-part servicing.